हे हे इलीट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। इट्स मी जी, और आज हम खेलने वाले हैं रॉकमैन एक्स डाइव, इसमें ऑफ कोर्स मेरा नाम होने वाला है। अबे हद है यार। ZEE यानी कि जी। वाह, यस, माय नेम इज जी बॉय। टैप टू स्टार्ट। कितना टैप कर ले हम? ओके। अबे कितना टैप करूँ मैं? ओह, ये टैप कम हो गया। तो सर्वर है, क्या हो रहा है? नहीं, मेरा फ़ोन लैग मार रहा है। ओके, शुरू हो गया। आधे घंटे लग गए बट शुरू हो गया एटलीस्ट। डॉट 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 weird. It was just playing Mega Man X like I always do. The screen got weird. I feel light as feather too. uh, भैया, sorry if I scared you. You are not dreaming. There is nothing wrong with your screen. This is entrance of cyberspace. We call it the deep loop. It was just chance that you found the entrance to deep loop. We store game data here. There is a lot of memory storage to memorize of previous gamer like you. Oh, memories of previous gamer like you. Have fun with the game and loving with them. How many gamers are there in the world? How many gamers? Well, that's how many logs there are. This right here is data storage for Mega Man X game. You are just playing. This is your deep log. Hmm. Was that long-winded? Let me explain the world view bit. ओ भाई क्या टूटा, मस्त है यार ये ग्राफिक्स। World view a bit more. Does it feel different from how it was just now? Yep. Deep Lock contains pre precious if previous precious information about the Mega Man X series. मैं तो कभी नहीं खेला Mega Man. It has been stored and managed like this for decades. After all this, corruption and other problems have caused the some program error. Look, Mega Man X data and Mega Man 3 X3 data has having are having issues. इसलिए गेम बनाया गया कुछ ऐसी बकवास के कारण. But we don't think it's just corruption due to age. There must be a specific cause behind all of it. In order to recover the data to protect gamers' precious memory, we are going to have to come with some solution. Oh, is someone coming? Huh? Huh? Can you see me? Wow. Wow. Found one at last. Now loading. Dot dot. Oh wow. That was sudden. नहीं मालूम भाषा क्या बोल रही हो, रुक जाओ. Must have given you a fright. Please stay calm. I know right person for right job when I see them. चक्कर आ रहे हैं यार. You are sure you understood the whole introduction to worldwide, right? You don't skip anything, right? ये जोक था. Huh? Who's talking? Ish. It's one who those things that allow talking direct to the computer. Come player. over this way quickly. Oh, if you use weapon for a while, you will automatic replenish energy. कौन सा कैरेक्टर है? एल एल्क्स एलेक्स एलिक्स क्या लिख रखा है? You can acquire EP in morning, afternoon, and evening every day. Hitting a needle or falling into pit down will result in direct damage, but you will not lose fixed proportion of HP. You can adjust button size and position in battle screen your personal preference in setting menu. अच्छा हम लोग इसमें 4 नकल क्लॉज कर सकते हैं जैसे पबजी में करते थे. पबजी बैन हो गया. हाँ कब तक लोड मारेगा भाई. हिटिंग अरे when you receive character or weapon you already have for capsule, the duplicate will automatically change into patch program that you can use to exchange for character weapon memories from the store. Oh, okay, मैं सोचा कट मार दूँ. छोड़ो कट मार ही देते हैं. Okay. Sorry, I should have introduced myself earlier. My name is Rico. I am cyberspace deep log. You could call me the admin. Now, player, your name would be. Oh, it's nice name. How should I put this? We should just ask your register. But to us, you are one those loyal gamer who always played the game. हाँ वही always played the game. You were just playing a Mega Man X, right, Naito? And there was a time you begged your grandparents to buy a game for you and game store near where you live, and you even though were strictly limited to 1 hour of gaming a day on weekends. नहीं तो ऐसे कुछ नहीं था. बचपन में था ही नहीं मेरा. कितना पुराना गेम है ये. And you weren't supposed to play past 8 p.m. You still played, right? Hey. In addition to game data, all these memories are wrapped up nice and snug इन द डीप लॉक. ऐसा घंटा कुछ होता है एक्चुअली में. एक बंदे का एक अलग मेमोरी होता है, एक अपने ही फ़ोन अपने ही उनके उसमें वो होता है, सेव होके रखता है. हमारा मत काटो. सो देन फॉर सेक ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी प्लीज अलाउ मी टू कॉल यू प्लेयर. नहीं ओह रेडी. सो दिस इज मेगा मैन. देयर इज नो टाइम टू लूज. First, could you please restore data for this stage? The hunter program can currently call up is called X. Please use X to get rid of irregular data. Just getting rid of it repairs it. That's it. Is that Mega Man X stage you were just challenging yourself to play? You must feel like your head is full of cotton, right? I am going to show you how to work control. Let me give it a try. Give it a try and get started. इतना मालूम नहीं था. अच्छा मैं इसे ले जाता हूँ. Irregular data. Press the weapon button to attack. That's right. Long press on the attack button lets you go automatic on the mode uses ammo you have left. Good job. You cleared out some irregular data. And see you just like that you can auto target diagonal enemies. In order to make data repair faster, keep going doing research. That's how we create cyber space unique system. And let's continue. Oh, path up ahead is collapsed. Jump over the gap. अगर नहीं जंप मारा तो मैंने मार भी लिया. See, the normal jump would have gotten to other side. But please stay calm. You can only tap double jump again while jumping the active double jump. Oh sorry, some more irregular data has appeared. Ah, and it's shooting missiles. Quick, crouch to avoid the missile. कर रहे हैं मत मारो. अरे dodged it. Let's move on the next stage. Let's try charge X shoot skill of the X that everyone has been waiting for. Live up to its name, right? The charge slot skill adds energy after you tap to the skill to shot. The shot start automatically charging up, and more you charge, more stronger shot. Now tap on the skill button again. You shoot with a bomb. Oh bhai, how do you like that? Even powerful irregular data gets wiped out in one shot. The skill is awesome. Awesome power. Skill's awesome power is truly. Sorry. I have been talking too much. Let's pick up pace. Let's pick up the pace a little. Press dash button to burst P and dash jump. You can dash jump. Oh sorry. Also, if you hold the dash button and drag your fingers towards jump, then you will make a movement nimble and speedy. While I am at it, holding double jump button and dragging fingers toward weapon button is makes it easy to jump attack. Remember not to pick your finger. uh, just do dash jump attack. अच्छा मैं इसको दबा ही नहीं रहा. Make progress quick, doing it that way make control your hunter program much easier. It's like what irregular data is coming. Wait, irregular hunter program 2 has standard skill. क्या लिखा था? X second skill is seeker missile. It is not powerful as charge shot, but it can track target and explode for area damage. खत्म. Path is collapsing. But don't worry, see what happened when you hold down the right direction button of computing to jump. Use wall kick to make your way. यही है क्या? वार्निंग। वाइन वाइन क्या था भाई? भाई ये यार इस गेम में बहुत से अच्छी बात। Mocha the giant, a huge mechanolodic bigger than the than building. Beside heads and arm, it's convert. Uh, it beside heads and arm, it's covered with hyper metal. You can't that won't cause any damage. It can crush easily with everything easily with spiked steel ball. It's the irregular data called Moth the Giant. The data shouldn't have even be in this state. There seems to be a data fault. Be careful. You see line on the ground that should irregular data's attack range. कहाँ पर? See the boss action and the warning line. It's planning to do a wide range attack. Jump and dodge. Amazing! This irregular data must be causing causing the program faults. Attack right away. Restore the game data. That's right. You are in charge now. अबे मैं जंप नहीं कर पा। अबे गलत बटन दबा। फिर गलत बटन दे। जंप दबाना है पर मारिए सर आप। अबे यार नहीं इसे यार जंप भाई जंप क्या रहने था। नहीं घंटा रहने। अरे गलत बटन साले। क्या हो गया? खत्म? अच्छा हाँ टूट गया बंदे। खत्म हो गया। ओ ये मुझे मुझे फट रहा है। बड़ा सिंपल था यार मज़ा आ गया। इन बैटल रेगुलर डेटा रिपेयर कंप्लीट गुड वर्क यू आर रियली अ प्लेयर यू मस्ट have spend some time in other games cyberspace. See, I really do know people. You might want to blaze through it just like that, but we should go back to the base and for a rest, for a little rest. Later we will learn about cyberspace deep long in a bit more depth. We will get you each other. We will get to know each other better later on. शेक्सपियर अबे डांस करेगा भाई। ये सब जापानीज है मेरे को तो आज मालूम पड़ा। मेरे को लगा बहुत टाइम लगेगा। लास्ट टाइम कितना टाइम लगा भाई। वाओ नाइस। Yes, thanks for reward. Stage clear. Clearing a stage without continue HP is more than 30% when completing the stage. So तो भाई 800 MB के लिए तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा। तो दैट इज अबाउट टुडे गाइस। बाकी का हम बाद में देखेंगे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब। अबे